We've done quite a bit of work on this view, so let's go ahead and save it, and let's take the opportunity as well to preview the changes that we've made. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to the top, and I'm going to click the Save button here. Okay, our view has been saved. Let's go ahead and preview it by going to the calendar page. Remember that we added a menu item during the first part of our view's settings. Let's go ahead and click on the home link in the upper left-hand corner. And let's click the calendar item in the main menu here. Now it looks like it's appearing to the left of the home tab, which is not what we'd like, so we'll need to set the weight of this menu item to be to the right of the home tab. And here's our calendar. We have a title, and we have 2 columns so far. And if we compare this with our mockup, you'll see that we're already a good part of the way there. We have the first 2 columns, we have 3 more columns to go. And also, you'll see that as we look at the view, I've jumped back to the browser, that we can click these titles in order to jump to the tour page. Now these tour pages aren't very pretty to look at yet, but that can be fixed later on. I'm going to go ahead and click back. Okay, let's go ahead and continue modifying this view. When we're on a page where a view is embedded in the page, as we hover over the view, this cogwheel will appear in the upper right-hand corner. And we can click this in order to drop down a set of operations. Right now we can edit this view. So let's go ahead and click Edit View.